Today we're checking out the 14th Avenue Pier in Myrtle Beach. As you can see here, the entrance to Pier 14 is right behind Riptide's Oceanfront Bar and Grill on Ocean Boulevard. So if you happen to see Riptide, you know you're in the right place. Here's the Pier 14 restaurant menu right outside, so you can take a look at what they have to eat and know what you want before you even head in. Here is bicycle parking right on the pier. And there it is, Pier 14 Restaurant, Lounge, and Fishing Pier. This is the entrance to Pier 14 Restaurant, but today we're going to be checking out the pier. And once you head in, you are greeted by the gift shop. You cannot beat this value at only $1 to walk the pier. Let's go. And right there you can see that caution sign that said uneven surfaces. So I'm going to take a minute and just get my footing right, since it is a natural wooden pier, before we head on out that way. But look, we're only a few steps in and already what a gorgeous view. As we turn the corner, here is the outdoor seating for the Pier 14 restaurant. As you can see, there was a door right there to the restaurant. And out there you can see the beautiful Myrtle Beach Sky Wheel. This is a bar that I believe they run during the evening and night times when the restaurant is open. And then here is the full pier. As you can see, there are seats all out through with little attached tables for you just to sit and enjoy the ocean. There are also a few picnic style tables like that right there. And then there are these small bench style seats. These are for fishing, but I'm sure anybody could sit there. And then there's also that big viewing area right there in the middle near the end of the pier. And just take a look at that beautiful Atlantic Ocean and that Myrtle Beach Ocean Boulevard skyline. Here you can see those bench style seats in action with the fishermen. But if viewing's your thing, just take a seat right here on this little elevated seating area and watch them bring in some fish, or just enjoy that beautiful, beautiful view. Now, I mentioned that Myrtle Beach skyline earlier, as there you can see the Gay Dolphin, the Myrtle Beach Sky Wheel. It's interesting to get to see a backside view of what you would normally see cruising down Ocean Boulevard. Also, there's Tin Roof and Banditos. And back to that ocean. One thing to keep in mind if you come out to the pier is that this is a wooden pier. So if there are any of you that are afraid of heights or anything, it may get to you. Walking on the pier, you don't necessarily feel it, but sitting down like I am right now at one of the tables out here on the pier, just enjoying the ocean, you will feel it sway with the waves just a little bit. It's nothing dangerous, just letting you know that you will feel it when you sit down. So hopefully that'll catch anybody off guard. Now with Pier 14 being a wooden pier, it is quite nostalgic, honestly, because some of the piers of Myrtle Beach have been knocked down from hurricanes and stuff over the previous years, and they are now becoming concrete piers to make sure it doesn't happen again. So it's really cool that Pier 14 is still standing and we get to enjoy a natural wooden pier. Whether you're enjoying a bite to eat off the boardwalk, coming out here to do some fishing, or just enjoying a nice relaxing day on the ocean like I am, you are sure to have a great time here at Pier 14. All right, guys, that is going to do it for us here at Pier 14, right off 14th Avenue North in downtown Myrtle Beach on Ocean Boulevard. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It greatly helps out the channel. Comment, let me know if you've ever been here or what your favorite pier is here in Myrtle Beach. Don't forget to subscribe and become a crew member of the Part-Time Pirate so you don't miss anything new happening here in Myrtle Beach. I'm probably going to hang out here for another few hours and enjoy this beautiful Atlantic Ocean, but this is where we part ways. So until next time, hold on to your booty, pirates.